So what is that AI thing everyone is talking about? Is it something that's worth your attention? There is only one possible answer. Yes, absolutely. Want to start a business but don't have idea? Can't create a product because creation process is too complicated? For AI, that is easy. So keep watching and you will have 10 powerful AI tools to start a business with zero investment. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic, starting a business with zero investment using the power of AI technology. We'll be introducing you to 10 incredible AI tools that will revolutionize the way you build and grow your business. Soon, I will personally try to build and implement one business strategy using AI tools. So you definitely have to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss that video. Now let's dive right in. Number 1. Idea generation with ideasci.com. Every successful business starts with a great idea. And that's where ideasci.com comes in. This simple yet powerful AI tool constantly generates business ideas, providing you with a wellspring of inspiration. Whether you're looking for a niche market or a unique product idea, ideasci.com has got you covered. I really like the idea of SAS that helps companies with hiring and onboarding, while moving from traditional hiring to an online process. Now I need to build a business strategy, and next tool will help me. Number 2, strategic planning with Validator.ai. Now that you have your business idea, it's time to bring it to life. Validator.ai is your strategic partner in this journey. This remarkable AI tool analyzes your business idea, giving you valuable insights and a comprehensive strategy. By combining the ideas generated by ideasci.com with the strategic guidance from Validator.ai, you can have a highly detailed business plan ready in just minutes. Don't forget to like the video. Number 3, design and publishing with Marq. Creating professional-looking documents is essential for any business. Marq, formerly Lucid Press, an AI-powered design and publishing tool, empowers you to craft visually stunning materials like newsletters, book covers, and template design. For our idea, I like this template for Instagram post. We just need to change the picture. Now it is better, but we can actually use smart templates and other automatic features like dynamic resize, data automation, or adding multiple images to your smart profile images and logos. Now to the next one. Number 4, engaging videos with video. In today's digital landscape, videos are a powerful tool for marketing and storytelling. Video is an online platform that has the power of AI to help you create animated videos and presentations. With its user-friendly interface and extensive library of templates, you can bring your ideas to life and captivate your audience. As we have chosen a green color before I will use this template, need to change text a little and done. The main feature is a big set of available animation, so let's check how it works. Perfect. There is much more to discover, but I will leave it to you. Let's go to the next tool. Number 5, polished writing with Grammarly. Clear and effective communication is vital for business success, and Grammarly is here to assist you. This AI-powered writing assistant helps improve your writing by providing grammar, spelling, and tone suggestion. With Grammarly, you can ensure your business communication is error-free and conveys the right message. I use Grammarly on a daily basis to help me with script creation and for business conversation. Number 6, website creation with Hostinger. Professional website is a must-have today. Hostinger, powered by AI technology, simplifies the process of creating and hosting your website. With its user-friendly interface and AI-powered tools, you can build a stunning website without any coding knowledge, putting your business on the online map. Just create a short description and that will be enough. Number 7, AI solutions with IBM Watson. IBM Watson, one of the leading AI platforms, offers a wide range of services that can be leveraged to develop custom AI solutions for your business. You can create your own AI model, automate routine tasks, use assistant, generate application code with AI, and more. Number 8, image generation with DALL-E. With DALL-E, you can unleash your creativity and generate unique images simply by describing them. This technology opens up new possibilities for branding, marketing, and visual storytelling. Check out all that generated images. Surely you can use them for your business. Number 9, unique image creation with Artbreeder. Artbreeder, another remarkable AI-powered tool, allows you to create stunning images by mixing and matching different elements. Idea is that you have to create image out of some samples or using other images, and then AI will enhance it for you. You need zero editing skills for this. You can give your brand a visually striking identity. Number 10, exploring AI technologies with Topapps.ai. Finally, to stay ahead of the curve in the world of AI, visit Topapps.ai. This website showcases the most advanced AI technologies available, offering a vast array of AI tools for every purpose. Let's check what other options we have for AI images generation. There is plenty of other options. Use this tool to stay updated with the latest trends and discover new ways to harness the power of AI for your business. And there you have it, the top 10 AI tools that will help you start a business. It is obvious that you need to choose some of those services and pay for subscription, but some time ago you needed to have a full team of specialists with a total salary of more than $3,000 a month to perform all those tasks for you. Compared to that, a couple of subscriptions can be counted as zero investment. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. That is not everything yet. There are more AI tools like that, so stay tuned for part 2. From idea generation to strategic planning, design, content creation, and more, these AI tools empower you to build and grow your business with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you later.